Okay, still plugging away here. I have taken a long position a while back, way back here. Where is it now? Right here. At 5 to 9, it's now an hour into this trade. It is channeled, almost got stopped out. I'm now sitting with some equity here. Taking a look at the 500, nice clear ninja. It's definitely trending up. I might check back a little bit here before it runs. We're back on sort of bullish ground. The 1 minute, same thing. It's going through here. It's gone up, checked back, not very far, mind you. Might check back a little bit more. But I would expect this thing to run up somewhere between at least 41 of the high, 27, we'll call it 13.6 and a half from the bottom. I'll call the bottom here at 30, so it should at least get to the 36 range. I have a target on this one because I'm looking for a bit of a greedy trade at 28.40. We'll see what happens. 28.40 being up here, it'll be challenging the high. So we'll see what happens. If it gets up here and stumbles, I'll pull out. All right. Still in this one, it is it's checked back a little bit here, 500. And, 1 minute still looking positive. Ninja, nice clear view. Again, it's checked back. Making another run here. Is getting past the 200-minute average, which is here. But yeah, we'll see how long this runs. I'm just watching the 200 right now. I may get out, take my few dollars, and wait for this thing to settle. This is a conservative exit point on the 75 SMA here. Sorry, 25. This blue guy. 1 minute. It's having trouble breaking the 34.50 for any length of time. We'll watch carefully here. This is the 200 tick chart. I'm watching carefully. If this thing drops below 33 and a quarter, I should probably get out, take a little bit of profits, because it's kind of just sitting right now. And this may be it reaching its comeback fury. We'll see what happens here. I'm trying to claw back, fight to get my profits back because I'm down 180 for the day. Can always find another trade. Still struggling to get past 34.5. 200 is just barely crossing. I'll hang on just a tick more here. I'm in the market. At least I'm locked in with my stop here. I'm playing with other people's money, so that's good. I should probably just let this run. Take my 4 ticks. If I get stopped out, that is. Because it'd be a shame if this thing continued to run and I wasn't in it. But you can see it's really fighting. It's still, as you can see, it's still in positive territory. Everything trending upwards, 500 and the 1 minute. $32.50 is my stop, so I'm right in here. Just waiting for this thing to do something. If it gets stopped out and it turns around again, I'll probably get in at 34.50. Because this is it just pulling back, checking back before it runs again. In theory, my theory, for what it's worth. Okay, I'm going to pull this one. I'm going to exit this, get back in when it's in positive momentum here. It's just not pulling out of its little dive here. Goes above 34, it should go. I've only got about a minute left in this video, unfortunately, but okay, if it breaks 35 here, I'm going to add a contract. It's been sitting here, hopefully gathering momentum, and I'm not just confused, but it sure looks good. I'll probably have to do another video for this trade.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in again. We'll check back in the next video.